So commas are going to make up, I don't know, 15% of the test, maybe 20% of either test. So you have to know how to use them. And this question is pretty common for like what the ACT or the SAT is going to do as far as like wanting to delete commas. And you have to remember that commas before prepositions are almost always wrong. Almost always. There are exceptions, but you should almost always delete commas before prepositions. Delete them. Prepositions are things like to, at, on, in, with, of, stuff like that, right? So really avoid wanting to put commas in front of these kinds of words. We could go on forever with prepositions, but okay. So if we look at answer choice A, it's one possible solution, comma, to the dilemma, right? I don't want to put a comma in front of the word to. It's a preposition, it's a possible solution to the dilemma, not a possible solution, comma, to the dilemma, right? Then what we have for answer choice D is comma, along the walls. Along is also a preposition. It's not installing solar panels, comma, along the walls. It's installing solar panels along the walls, right? So don't put a comma before this preposition either. So D is out. Then between B and C, we have one possible solution to the dilemma, comma, right? The difference between B and C is there's a comma in front of this word right here, is, and C doesn't have that comma. And in this sentence, the word is the verb. And if you have one comma in a sentence, don't ever place it right before your verb, because you'll never have an independent clause, right? Because B would be saying that either one possible solution to the dilemma is an independent clause, or is to install solar panels, blah, 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 is the independent clause. And neither of those is an independent clause, because the independent clause is putting your subject and verb together, which is one possible solution to the dilemma. One possible solution to the dilemma, subject, verb, which have to be together, is to install solar panels along the walls. Answer choice C, you don't want any commas in the sentence. Delete them in front of prepositions, and definitely don't put one right before your verb.